Is your listing cursed by the #1 killer of momentum? If your home's just sitting there with 0 offers, chances are it's been hit with the curse of overpricing. Don't be that seller. Here's how it works. The moment your home hits the market, it's like opening night on Broadway. All eyes are on it. That first week, that's when the buzz is real. Buyers are watching, agents are booking showings, and the algorithm gods are actually working in your favor. But if your price screams, "I'm not serious," buyers bounce, just like a bad date. Now your listing sits and sits and sits. Fast forward 30, 60, 90 days, now you're not just chasing the market, you're wearing the scarlet letter that says stale. Buyers start asking, what's wrong with it? And suddenly you're doing exactly what you swore you wouldn't, dropping the price lower than you could have gotten if you just priced it right from the start. Here's the truth. The longer your home sits, the less buyers will think it's worth. That's not an opinion, that's buyer psychology. So ask yourself, do you want to sell your home or do you just want to list it? If you're ready to make a move, ditch the curse. Price it smart, market it right, work with someone who knows how to position your home like a luxury brand, no matter the price point. At Homes by Brink, I'll give you data-baked valuation, a strategic pricing plan, and the unfiltered truth your Zestimate won't touch. I've seen every kind of market and I know exactly how to help you turn the right price into the right outcome. I'm James Brinkman, Brink, with Homes by Brink at AustinRealEstate.com. And in Austin, when you think real estate, think Brink. I'll see y'all soon.